Right, I've been to the shop and I've ordered some of these new bearings for the mill. I had to take the shaft in. Those should be here on Wednesday, so I've got nothing to do on that, just going to pack that up. I'm going to put the shelf on for the tools, which I did. So I made this little box to put everything in. I don't know, feels a bit like Robinson Crusoe's toolbox, but never mind, I think it'll work. Got to put that on. Right, next I'm going to put the wheels on the battery pod rollers and get that spun round, and then we'll see how they work. I'll make the other one, assuming it's okay, I'll make the other one. Then I'm going to strengthen up the chassis thing for the lift. I've ordered a new hoist, which is coming, 3-ton hoist. So, let's carry on. Oh, but first of all, got to have a cup of tea. The wheels came with bolts, but they didn't come with any nuts, which is really annoying. Because the only ones I've got are these A4 super duper expensive stainless ones. So I'm not even going to use a washer for that. Right, so I've got to get this out flipped over somehow. I'm going to do this. I think I could just oaf it. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take if I just let it crash over, I think it'll just damage it. So I'm going to take the bottom wheels off, the whole bracket, flick it over, and then put them on. Something like that. It's good to have. Absolutely typical. The video wasn't running just as I got it flipped over. Right, so I've got the two on the other side are off. So the two wheels on the far side are still on, and these two are off. So very carefully, I've got to get them back on without getting my fingers and my arms crushed. Moment of truth. Okay. Oh, that was hard work. Look at that. It's a delight. That's pretty good. So we got two rolling battery pods now. It's quite good, battery rolls. Anyway, that's it I think for today. I've finished off the two battery pod rolling machine things. You call them trolleys. I can now move these around reasonably easily, and there's no getting away from it now. That next thing is that's got to be lifted up. But it's made some progress, I think.